Okay, a lot of people want to know about our bus. Figured I'd do a little walk around. So it's a 1986 GMC. We just had a parade, 4th of July parade in the neighborhood. We put a little generator in the back on a trailer hitch. We custom welded a pipe rack on the top and just cut the top off the bus. I bought it for like $1,200 out in Mineral Wells. Got a couple more buses though. Let's see here. Oh, stogies I have. Kids sit on the back. I changed the tires. Got some off-road tires that were kind of hard to find for this thing. And then the exhaust, because otherwise it smokes people out. We just ran it up. We used to have a 90 on it. Now we got one of those rain caps that keep water out of it. Kind of. It's got a little air horn here. This is one of my favorite deals just because you gotta honk at people. Oh, she ain't working now. Well, that might be a good thing. Usually that works. Again, just a little little pipe bumper. Nothing too much though. I'll show inside. Kids love it. We pulled the exhaust off of it one time, and it was just way too loud going down the road. That horn. Throw out some beads. Couple seats. The rest of it, except for this. Test. It's pretty cool. This is a Yamaha stage pass, but it gets plenty loud where you can karaoke while you're driving down the road. So anyway, there's your switches. There's air conditioning. Well, happy 4th of July, 2020.